Imagine you pick up your standard Hausrat cover. Fire at 1,500 euros unless you specify. Hey everyone, welcome back to WeConnect Germany. If you're new here, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Previous episodes, episode 1, health, liability and glass insurance. Episode 2, dental insurance. Our Schufa score video is also given in the description below. Go watch it. 2 stories, 60 seconds. Ravi, new apartment in Frankfurt. Beautiful furniture, new electronics and everything new. A pipe burst above him.
Oh no!
Water flooded his entire flat. His landlord's building insurance covered the structure, but Ravi's belongings, 9,400 worth of furnitures in losses. Zero payout. Second one, Kwame from Ghana had his e-bike stolen outside his workplace in Hamburg. He had Hausrat Insurance, but hadn't added bicycle module. His 1,800 euros e-bike not covered. Both situations, both preventable, both avoidable for a few euros a month. I'm Visakha from WeConnect Germany. I'm a certified financial advisor and you can always check my credentials. And behind every client we support, there is a large team of experts working all the time. That support matters the most when your home is damaged, when your bike is stolen, or when an insurer starts asking different questions or difficult questions. Episode 3, Hausrat, theft, glass and Haftpflicht fully explained. Let me start with the simplest way to understand Hausrat. Imagine you pick up your apartment, turn it upside down and shake it. Everything that falls out, that is your Hausrat. Your furniture, your electronics, clothing, jewelry, sport equipment, everything you own inside your home. Your landlord's building insurance covers the walls, floors and the structure. It never covers your belongings. What does standard Hausrat cover? Fire, lightning, explosion and smoke. Tap water damages, burst pipes, leaking appliances, burglary and post-break-in vandalism. This also includes repair of smashed doors and windows. Also, when there is a storm and hail from wind force 8 and above. And the temporary hotel cost if your flat becomes uninhabitable. What does standard Hausrat not cover? River flooding or groundwater. You need the Elementa Schadenversicherung add-on for that. Bicycle theft outside your home. You need the bicycle module. Glass breakage. You need the glass module. And valuables above standard limits like jewelry, watches, cameras are often capped at 1,500 euros unless you specifically declare it. So the coverage formula comes here. 650 euros approximately per square meter of your apartment. So let's say a 60 square meter apartment flat equals 39,000 euros of cover. So what would be the cost? Maybe around 10 euros a month approximately, and depends on the apartment size most of the time. And here's no waiting period for standard perils. Elementary damage add-on might have a 72 hours waiting period sometimes. Now comes the theft insurance in detail. Standard Hausrat covers theft, but only under specific condition. What is covered? Burglary, forced entry into your home. Robbery, theft by force in your home. Theft from a locked vehicle with signs of forced entry. What is not covered? Simple theft in public places. Say, laptop stolen at a cafe, not covered. Bicycle stolen outside unless you have a bicycle add-on module, and the theft without signs of forced entry. For example, you left the door unlocked. The bicycle add-on, Fahrradklausel. This extends your coverage to your bicycle, even when stolen outside of your home. For an e-bike worth 3,000 euros, make sure your bicycle module coverage matches the full purchase value. Always remember to keep your original receipt, and most important policies require the bicycle to be locked with a certified lock when outdoors. Cost of the bicycle add-on, so let's say maybe 5 to 8 euros depending on the bike value. So now let's talk about glass insurance, Glasversicherung. Standard Hausrat does not cover broken glass. You might need this add-on. What it covers? All flat glass, windows, sliding doors, patio doors, ceramic glass cooktops, one of the most common household claims in Germany, shower screens and bath panels, built-in mirrors, interior glass doors and partitions, glass furniture tops, tables and shelves. Real cost: double glazed window replacement, it might cost 300 to 800 euros. A ceramic cooktop replacement, say 500 to 1000 euros, and a large shower screen, 400 to 900 euros. These are everyday accident, yet they may be excluded from standard Hausrat. So what would be the cost? So it depends on the apartment size most of the time. Let's say 5 to 10 euros approximately, and no waiting period. We introduced glass insurance in episode 1 and the link is in the below description. Now Haftpflicht in full detail. We covered it in episode 1, but here are the deeper details that most people miss. Coverage limits. What to look for? Your policy should cover a minimum of 10 million euros for personal injury claims and a minimum of 10 million euros for property damage. Some policies may only offer 5 million euros, but given German code award levels always apt for 10 million minimum. Important inclusions to check: Mietsachschäden, damage to your dented apartment. For example, burning a hole in the landlord's carpet or say breaking a built-in wardrobe. Many cheaper policies exclude this entirely, so always check carefully. Key loss coverage. If you lose your building key or your office key and the building management demands all locks to be changed, the cost can be roughly from 500 to 10,000 euros, and many policies do cover this. Drone coverage. If your drone crashes and damages someone's property or injures someone, standard Haftpflichtversicherung might not cover it. Check for a drone add-on. And all online activities. Some modern policies include social media defamation liability, and the cost might be say roughly around 5 to 10 euros a month, and there is no waiting period. When something goes wrong, here is how We Connect Germany supports you. This is not just about finding a cheap policy, this is about having the right people beside you when life goes wrong. I am a certified financial advisor and you can verify my credentials. Our clients are supported by a team of experts. That means when a burglary happens, when a flood damages your flat, or when a claim is challenged, you're not alone. In the first 24 hours, we tell you exactly what to do, what to photograph, whether to file a police report, what not to touch or do. Because many clients are invalidated by incorrect first responses. For burglary claims, we help you file the Anzeige correctly. We help you create a complete documented list of stolen or damaged items with their values. We file the claim correctly in the right format and within the right deadline. And if the insurer undervalues your loss, we negotiate. And the real result, one of our Berlin business client lost 7,800 euros in a burglary. The insurer offered 5,200. Our team supported with professional valuations. Final payout within a month. In episode 4, car insurance, the story of a woman who parked a car was destroyed in a hit and run. She thought she was fully insured. She was wrong and it cost her 2,100 euros. Like this video, subscribe, share it and comment your questions. Book a free consultation with us and the link is in the below description. I'm Visaka. Cheers.